Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to play the song Frere, Jacques. What I'd like you to do is do the first three notes. That's G, A, B with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again go. Keep it going round. G, A, B. G, A, B. That is step 1. Make sure you can do that before we go any further. If you need to pause the video and go over it, that's cool. If you can do that, then we can add the next note in, which is another G. So now you're going to play 4 notes in a row. G, A, B, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's step 2 done. If you can do that, then you need to be able to play it twice like this. 3, 4. G, A, B, G, G, A, B, G. And that, if you can do it, is the song on easy level. It's the first quarter of the piece, and you can just go along and play along with the backing track and just play that bit and then wait for it to come around again and play that bit again, and that's a really good start. If you want to try the next bit, this is really easy. The second quarter is just 3 notes, B, C and D. B, C, D, all on the same string there. You try it with me from the B. 2, 3, 4. Have a little practice if you need to. And then let's try and put all of that together so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, we'll try that again a little bit slower. Whole of the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, well done. If you can do all of that, then you're halfway there. Unfortunately, we've got the most difficult bit to come. And it's hard because it's fast. It's running, running, walk, walk. We've got these quavers, which are twice as fast as the notes we've played before. So whenever we're learning a fast thing, we just need to slow it right down, and it makes it much, much easier. So I want you to play after me. D, E, D, 3, 4. D, E, D. Keep it going round. D, E, D. That's your challenge. If you can do that, let's crack on. If you can't do that, practice it a bit more. Next note is putting a C in with it. D, D, E, D, C. Let's try that slowly. 3, 4. D, E, D, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E, D, C. Keep it going round. If you can do those 4 notes, try and speed it up a little bit. And then you need to put in, that's a B and an open G. I recommend you pause the video at this point and just practice that little bit over and over and over again, about 10 times in a row. Okay, now you can do that. The very, very end is super easy. Open strings, just the G, then the D, then back to the G again. G, D, G. Good. Dynamite. Good. Open strings, very easy at the end. So the hardest part is going to be that bit for you. Okay. I'm going to put the track on now, and I want you to play along with it. Don't worry if you can't get it all perfect straight away. That will come with time. Just do the bits that you can do and keep trying, and you will get better at it. Here we go. Frere, Jacques. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good luck with this bit. D, E, D, C, B, G. Then then we go round again. Cool. Now try without me on your own. See how you get on. 1, 2, 3, 4.